welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. So guys, today I've got Yoshan, and this guy is really good in P2P trading. I want to learn a lot from him. That's why I'm here with him, so that he's gonna tell me pretty much anything about P2P. So hey yo bro, what's up with P2P?
Awesome, man. What's going on, guys? My name is Yoshan, aka Rants for Bitcoin, head of the Trade Center. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about P2P, giving you guys an idea of exactly what it is, where to go to get set up if you want to start trading as well. Just going straight into it, P2P is basically just like arbitrage.
But like, how did you start P2P though?
Okay, how I started, I was on the cruise ship selling art, bro.
Yeah.
I was...
Drop shipping?
Well, after
drop shipping.
Yeah, after the whole cruise ship thing, I got dropped off back in South Africa because of the whole COVID thing.
Yeah.
I couldn't get a job for like 6 months. I eventually gave up on the whole job idea and decided that, you know what, I don't have a degree, I don't have any kind of formalized education, but I've got, you know, some credit because my dad showed me how to get credit at a young age. So yeah, managed to have some capital at least. And then I just dived into dropshipping because, you know, online at the time, that's all I saw. You know, everywhere. You just saw dropshipping. That's the way to get out. So I did it. And dropshipping is effectively arbitrage as well because you're buying a product or service at a lower price and then you're just selling it at a higher price.
Yeah.
So that made me think like, okay, what else can I do with this knowledge? And it kind of just fell on my lap, bro.
But like right now you can see that dropshipping industry is really booming right now. And then like what's the difference between P2P and dropshipping?
There's almost no difference besides the fact that with dropshipping you're doing physical products or physical services, whereas with P2P it's a money service, like it's all digital, it's an exchange of money all the time. There's no products or services. That's the only difference.
So do you think P2P is better than dropshipping?
Yeah, look, P2P can be better than dropshipping, definitely, but in my opinion it's a combination of all of the income streams that you're going to find on the Trade Center.
Exactly.
That's going to get you to where you want to go. Dropshipping was the first thing that I ever did.
Yeah.
And it was from receiving an order of Bitcoin hoodies where I actually found out about P2P trading. That client of mine who was a dropshipping client, wanted a custom t-shirt. I asked him, why do you want a Bitcoin hoodie? What is it that you do? He told me P2P trading. I then found Gray's videos. I offered Gray to do custom clothing so that I could, learn exactly about P2P. I learned it, and 4 years later, I've managed to get out of debt, open up the Trade Center, teach many people a lot of them have reached 6 figures in this P2P game.
Yo, man.
So it's a pretty cool experience being able to not only make it out of that situation myself, but also get a whole bunch of other people's out. If you guys want to check out the testimonials of all the people that have made 6 figures and are doing well in the space, go check out www.thetradecenter.co.za and check out the testimonial section.
Okay, so what is Trade Center, bro?
So Trade Center is a community of people that make money online. So we've got 5 or 6 different income stream methods where you can make money online on the Trade Center. Go check it out on our website. You'll be able to see Arthur's heavy crypto indicators on there as well. Yeah, exactly. You'll be able to see the copy trading that we're going to be starting to do. You'll be able to see the P2P trades, the derivatives, the drop shipping, the spot trades, all of that kind of stuff. We show you guys how to do staking. We show you what we're investing in, the kind of coins and stuff that we're looking at. So yeah, guys, it's a community of people that really do make money together, and we all want to see each other succeed and win. And if you want to be part of that community, go and check out the Trade Center, www.thetradecenter.co.za.
So you have made it easier for people to make money and learn more about crypto. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I mean that's actually better because you don't have to go out there and do all the research and stuff like that on YouTube.
Look, I started this because I knew that when you're joining in on this whole crypto journey, it's a very isolating process.
Okay, so
normally you're gonna go and try and figure out what you want to do on YouTube, and then you go and trial and error and lose money on a trade from following guidance over there. And then it ended up just being loss after loss after loss after loss. So rather than going and paying the school fees like I did, hundreds of thousands of rands, and getting all these trades wrong. Rather, come join the trade center. You get a one-on-one mentor who's going to take you into profitability. You know off the top of your head how much you're going to spend for these school fees. And it's not hundreds of thousands, I can guarantee you that. Very manageable amount. Join on www.thetradecenter.co.za. Check it out. Speak to one of our mentors. They'll fill you in on the prices and all that stuff. But guaranteed, guys, I can say that without a shadow of a doubt, if you are looking at doing a business, a BCom general, or like a general degree or something like that, and you're wanting to get into business, rather choose to do something like this with people who are currently in business, in the industry that you want to be in, and making very good money. So rather than going and spending 50, 60,000 on 1 or 2 years at UWC for a BCom general for a job that you may not get, rather spend that same money on the trade center and come and actually make 6 figures over here, because it's very possible, and we've got many testimonies of people who've have actually achieved it.
Yeah, and good thing is, like, it's not only about P2P. You know what I mean? You can do derivatives, spot trading, whatever you name it, anything about crypto.
Yeah, look, guys, at the end of the day, you can go and get all of this information online. You really can, on YouTube, everywhere. But what we've done differently for you guys over here is we've put it all in the same space, and we've set it up so that each person that joins gets a one-on-one mentor who's going to show you how to get into profit.
One-on-one mentor.
One-on-one mentor. Every single person gets a one-on-one mentor. That's why you pay the price, But you guaranteed to come into profit. Otherwise, your money back. So we've got an agreement there when you join with the Trade Center, that if in your first month you don't make more than your subscription amount, you can walk away from the contract, you get your money back, and you can go back to your BCom general. You can do whatever you want. So guys, I've set this up so that it's a zero risk, high reward business over here. So you come in, you get the information. If it works out for you, by the end of the year, you'll probably be a 6-figure earner. And if it doesn't work for you, you go back to your day job, you go back to studying, whatever the case is. Take a chance on yourself. Join www.thetradecenter.co.za and join us today.